A night guard protects the teeth, but not the child. If your child's grinding is caused by blocked airways, enlarged tonsils, or adenoids, a night guard only masks the problem. It doesn't fix it. They're still being deprived of oxygen every night, just silently. Treat the cause, the airway, not just the teeth. Healthy breathing comes before perfect enamel.